UC San Diego had a vision for growth. The central plant expansion has added in additional cooling capacity to allow for several new buildings and expansions of buildings to take place. So Salas O'Brien's role was mechanical engineer of record.
The goal of this project was to meet growing chilled water demand in a cost-effective and sustainable way, and also plan for the future with the ability to maintain it in a way that operators can do it safely and reliably.
Having a central plant with individual chillers and a segregated condenser water system between the expansion and the main plant allows us to make educated decisions as to when we're going to start and stop chillers and how that impacts the entire campus chill water flow system.
Working with Salas O'Brien, we really were partners in the whole process. They were listening to everything we had to say. We were making the decision together.
Salas O'Brien took our needs as an operating central utility plant and did an amazing job of communication up and down the chain of command between Salas O'Brien and the construction team. That really made it a painless experience.
We were designing the plant to be able to grow without significant modification or impact.
This space was thought about in a way that we can build more chillers in the future and also have the ability to bring in equipment to effectively bring in new equipment and pull out the old.
If you're looking for growth in your central plant and growth in your university, finding a collaborative partner that really listens to your desires and looks at the future as to where the university is going is important. Salas O'Brien really embodied that.